G'day, this is Jason here from4XPipSnager 2.0, and today is November the 28th. We're coming to month end here. Anyway, let's take a look at the charts. As you know, I cover four pairs: pound yen, pound dollar, US yen, US dollar yen, and gold US dollar. I always laugh when I read that gold US dollar. It does not move because of the US dollar. It only moves with gold, and gold is a single entity on the futures exchange. Anyway, let's get to it. All right, we're looking at the pound yen 15-minute chart. Okay. So here was Tuesday, right? On the 24th. I do believe today's Tuesday. That was Friday. Now we're on Tuesday. Just a little mixed up here. Anyway, I drew this line in here because I thought pretty much after all this bouncing up here off resistance, I could put a line there to show you. Boom. Okay. It wasn't going up. They're going to take it down. And that's what they did. And that's why I put that line there. I even put an arrow over here. I removed it, and it was the prices here, and I said, I think it's going down. So anyway, the entry was right here, okay, to go short. Your stop would have been 46 pips. Went down 65 pips. So you would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Would have took a long time. But, okay, if you got out because you thought it was going back up here, you would have got out somewhere right here. You would have lost 6 pips. Okay? If you would have got long, well, you were wrong. And then it chopped. Okay? And then the next sell would have been through this support right here. Okay? It was a very bad day. You would have got in short here. It only went down 34 pips. So, it was not a good day. Then today, like I said, I knew over here, I said to myself, because, let me show you again, why I said from over here to sell, and I wasn't looking to buy. I was only looking to sell because the market rallied up here. We sell at the top and buy at the bottom, okay? That's what I've been teaching you here all along. That's why I know when to sell and I know when to buy, and that's why. Okay, so let's get to today. Right here, we will draw a line in the sand right there. And as you can see, this candle right here proved that we're going to go up. Doesn't mean how far we're going to go up, but it proved that we're going to go up. So anyway, once it retraced right here into the trigger line, you would have bought it. Your stop would have been 36 pips, and you only got about 33 pips out of it. So it missed it by 3 pips. But it did, if you do follow my rules in the PipSnager, it did go 50% of, the way to the target. So there's some, course of action that you need to take so that you don't lose money. Okay. And then there was another trade here. If you got, came to the market here, here's the gap. Here's the pullback. It went through the support. You would have got short right here. And today it went down 50 pips. Okay. That's pound yen. Let's move on. Let's look at the pound. Here's Monday and here's today. As you can see, this was our resistance. Broke through there, right there. Told you to buy. There's 50 pips. Okay. Then it came down and went up. Here's the gap. You would have sold it right here. It went through support here and support. If you drew a line like that, it closed below support right there. You would have got short right here, and it only went down 30 pips, and the stop was 36 pips. Well, actually, no, in the open, it went down to 36 pips. So you would have got it right here on the opening. But there's big spreads at the opening with the swap rollover, so don't quite know if you would have got it there. Just to be honest with you, okay? I don't tell no bullshit. Okay, let's move on. Then there was another trade, okay, right here. You would have got long right here. and it spiked up 25 pips. Your stop would have been 25 pips. What have you got 25 pips? I don't know. Would have you been there quick enough to move your stop to lock in maybe 5 pips? I don't know. You gotta be there to see, right? And then there is major support right here. So this candle right here told us, hello, not these ones with the wicks. They did not close below the support. They bounced back up off of this level, see? Of the opening level, they bounced back up. So, and it wasn't the correct gap there either. You would have got short right in here, okay? And now it's went down 55 pips with a 45 pip stop. You would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio on that trade. Let's move on to the yen. The yen, I drew a channel there from last week. It was right in here, this craziness. You can see right through here, it broke through, up through there. So you would have got a long right here on the boat. That was Friday, actually. And it would have chopped you up again. Okay? Real bad. But then, here's Monday and here's today. Looks a lot better. You would have broken down through the support right here. And you waited for the retrace. You would have got short here. And it went down 50 pips. And your stop would have been 28 pips. Then today, you're looking to buy. Why are you looking to buy? Because it went all the way down here. That's why. It run down 85 pips. That's why we're looking to buy over here. So we would take our line, draw it through there. Well, look at that big spike right here at the open. 21 pip spike. So it came up, but it left these wicks. Because it left these wicks, I would have not bought it right here. And look what happened. Wham! They took it down. Then they took it up again. And this time, right in here, where it closed right here, this is where I would have got long. And so far, it's went up 30 pips. Actually, 21 pips. I think I might stop trading this pair and try and replace it with something else. Because it's kind of like the euro. It's very choppy. You really should look at it at a higher time frame, like I say in my manuals, that if you've come across a currency that's chopping and giving you lots of losses, you just move up with the time frame. Excuse me. Sorry, I had to take some water there. Been already talking too much today. Was talking with fellow trader down in Atlanta, Georgia today, and I guess I already talked too much today. I'm losing my voice. Anyway, so like I said, when you get a choppy market, you move to a higher time frame. That will definitely show you where to get in and where to get out with less chop. So as you can see, the trade right here now is right here on the 1 hour. Okay, you would enter long. There's 45 pip stop. Let's see if we go up 45 pips here today or tomorrow. We'll hit our target up here. Okay, let's take a look at gold quickly. Let's shrink the chart. Oh, look at this. Chopping going nowhere. That's because of the 2 holidays. Okay, but what did they decide to do after taking it down here on Black Friday? Well, they're going to buy it now, and they took it up. That's why you know that it's time to buy. So you would have got long right here. Up it went 97 pips. Definitely got 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. If not 3 and almost 4-to-1 win-loss ratio. So now that it's gone way up here, what are we looking to do over here? We're not looking to buy it. So this fake right here, we would just ignore it. We're looking to sell it. Now that we're looking to sell it, look at all this. Okay, look at this, look at this. We draw it on an angle, okay? There's no trade right here. It bounced back up off of support. There's no trade in here because it bounced back up off this trend line, okay? So there's no sells in here because you draw a trend line like this. Now, again, we're not looking to buy it because it rallied up. And as you can see, they sold right off of this level right here to a T. So now that it's crashed down 54 pips, we're just waiting for the gap size and a retracement. You'll get in short, and down we shall go. We'll see. Well, just pushed down here just now. So anyway, that's the setups for today. Once again, this is Jason Sweezy here from ForexPipSnager 2.0. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't picked up your copy yet, I urge you to do so. It's a very simple trading system that we use support and resistance and a few other money managing factors. It works. No bullshit, no hype. It definitely works. You need to pick up your copy today. Please hit the like button below if you like this video. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel so the next time I do a video, you'll be first to get it. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you on Thursday.